Call Hippo Call Center for Business Honest Review. Watch before using. Most businesses get call management wrong. They rely on outdated systems or messy phone networks. Call Hippo provides a cloud-based call center solution that's fast, scalable, and easy to use. The surprising truth is how much control it gives over calls, analytics, and team performance. You won't believe how quickly it can be deployed. Here's how it works. Call Hippo offers virtual phone numbers, call forwarding, IVR menus, and call tracking. Teams can log calls, access recordings, and analyze metrics to improve customer service. The platform works on desktop, mobile, and integrates with CRM tools. For example, a startup can create a multi-level support line, route calls based on customer needs, and monitor response times to enhance satisfaction. Most people get this wrong. They assume professional call centers require complex hardware, but Call Hippo is fully cloud-based and subscription-ready. The platform also supports analytics dashboards, call conferencing, and local numbers in over 50 countries, making global operations simpler. However, there are considerations. Internet connectivity is essential, and pricing scales with features and call volume. Most people assume unlimited free features. Call Hippo is cost-effective, but usage-based planning is important. In conclusion, Call Hippo is a robust solution for businesses seeking professional call management with cloud deployment, analytics, and scalability. It improves efficiency and customer satisfaction without hardware headaches. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of call center and business communication tools.